Don't resolve it. Not yet. That feeling, that's dominant. I'm Swingo, the jazz mate by jazzteaching-Gr. Tonight, we stay on the V. Everyone learns Mixolydian like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, flat 7. But dominant isn't a formula, it's pressure. Major third, flat 7th. That tritone inside the chord? That's the argument. That's the instability. Mixolydian is not happy. It's suspended authority. It says, I'm in control, but I'm not home. When you play dominant scale, don't run it. Lean into the third, hold the flat 7, feel the pull toward resolution. Because dominant exists for movement. Without movement, it's just a major scale with attitude. At the piano, voice the third and flat 7 first. Everything else is color. If you don't hear the tritone, you're not hearing dominant. Mixolydian is about the tension between two, the third and the flat 7. That interval defines the gravity. Dominant is anticipation, control, direction, not speed. I'm Swingo, the jazz mate by jazzteaching-Gr. Next session, why dominant becomes dangerous. Stay. Let's think in jazz.